Good morning, I am Rino Chiappa, President of Chiappa Firearms Italy and Chiappa Firearms USA. Chiappa Firearms Italy born 1958. My father founded the company with my mother, and the company born on the basement in our house. It's a very small, born like a very small company. Today the company is totally different. In the past 60 years we developed a lot of new products, and my father started the business with black powder because on that period the black powder is a very small niche of the market. But when me and my sister we start to work with my father 30 years ago, we want to grow a little bit more and take a bigger part of the market, and we prefer to expand the line of the production, not just on the black powder but on the replica. And we continue to expand the replica range from the Sharps and Spencer and lever action. And a few years ago, we decided to move our production also on the semi-automatic guns. We developed some pistol and semi-automatic in 22 caliber rimfire, and some rifle like the copy of the M1 or the copy of the M4 in a 22. Recently, 5 years ago, we developed a new product, a totally new product, owned by us and developed by us. Is the Rino revolver. Is a very innovative product. Our base in US burned 7 years ago because we saw the US market is the biggest market for us, and we need to set up a warranty repair center and a customer service center. But day by day we develop also that company, and today that company takes care of all our distribution. And during the 2017 we are in process to start also production in US. Come back on the Italian side, we make 95% of the production inside in our facility. We start with the research and development inside. Me and a couple of engineers, we take care of the new idea and we develop new products. And we start from the 3D drawing, and after the 3D drawing we make a prototype. Sometimes the prototype can be made with 3D printing, or better for us, we made the prototype in steel, because on the final prototype we can make also the test and the shooting test. And when everything is okay and we have the final prototype, we develop inside also all the tooling, and we produce inside in our facility all the toolings. And inside on the company we produce 95% of the process. We start with the barrel production. The rifle barrel is made inside on the company, and we have a CNC department with a vertical milling machine and a horizontal milling machine, where we produce a frame, lever, and all the internal parts. We have also the manufacturing, injection manufacturing inside in our company, because we have injection for plastic and injection for aluminium. Other than this, another department very important for us is the finishing, and we have two departments for finishing. One is the polishing. My father started business many years ago, and for him is very important the feeding wood and steel. We continue to produce this kind of process exactly the same than 200 years ago. We take the stock and the frame, not finished, we feed all together, and we make the polishing steel and wood together. And this way we can have a very good finishing. All the stocks for replica or high quality product is finishing by hand and with oil. We not use any kind of paint, because especially on the replica it's very important continue to maintain the originality of the process. And 3 years ago we had in our department, in our company, a new department where we produce stock. It's a stock department. We start from the trees. We buy the trees outside, obviously, and we have an external supplier and just to cut the trees. But after that, we take care step by step from the blank to the stock completely finished. For the finishing, like bluing, external finishing on the steel, we have a sister company where we have bluing, parkerizing, nickel finish, and polishing with a tumbler, where we finish all the single parts. After the assembling, we have an assembling department. After the assembling, we send the gun 100% of our production to the US, to the proof house, the Italian proof house, for testing. After that testing, we continue the test in our shooting range because the proof house takes care of the safe, but we want to check also the accuracy and the quality on the function, the reliability on the function. After the test firing, we have the control, the cosmetic control and the packaging.